Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get this scallop in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new event that called Call of Whales event, and then in here you can get any special fish, and one of them is this scallop, this one. In this event, you must catch this scallop because you need this item or this ingredient to make the pearl cake, the special food for this event. And then to get this scallop is very easy. First, you can just go to the whale sea. You can catch it at the whale sea, and it spawns all time, all weather like this. So just go to whale sea over here, this one, this area. You can also join the special event that held by Vanya, the narrative show event to catch this scallop more easy. You can catch this scallop more easy in this event, so you can just join this event. You can also start this event yourself without waiting for the Vanya schedule, but you need to pay with 2000 gold to Vanya. And then after that, just do fishing like usual until you get this scallop. You can also use Fish Attractor or Mermaid Perfume to make your fishing activities more easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.